Let's look at the limitations of the manual mode in ActiveTrack. Let's mark myself. And then select ActiveTrack and go. And there the height and speed disappears. So let's minimize. Then the speed and height appeared again. Let's make sure that we have the right outer circle. Select focus track settings. And we set the outer height to 11.5 and leave the outer radius on 10 meters. Okay, marking myself again. Selecting ActiveTrack and go. Now it defaults to back on the inner circle, so I have to be quick and make sure to put it at the front on the outer circle, where I want to have it. For some strange reason it flies on 30 meter and I set it to 11.5. I don't know why. Now up to 14 meter. And it varies between 14 and 15, and I still set it to 11.5. So far it's tracking me okay. Why does it hide itself behind that tree? Okay, now it lost me. Okay, selecting myself once again. Select ActiveTrack and go. No, I have to make sure that it's actually in front of me again. But why does it go on the right side of me rather than in front of me? And now it lost me again. Try once more, mark myself. ActiveTrack, go. Be fast to set the track following the outer ring front. And this time I take it a little bit left of me, because that's a place where there are no tall trees that may shadow for me. Okay, so now it's tracking, and also from the side where I wanted it to track. And then also minimize position radar to see the height and speed. But it's as high as 17 meters. But when I stop and when I'm in an open area, it goes down to 12 meters. And as you see on the small indicator at the left, it still shows approximately where the drone should be, and it's not quite there.